Can lifestyle changes affect anti-Mullerian hormone levels? This hormone level is mainly determined by the number of remaining eggs in the ovaries. This is again largely influenced by genetics and age. Small lifestyle changes like sleep and diet, they do not generally affect the AMH levels in the short term. But in the long term, definitely lifestyle factors can affect the overall reproductive health. Again, this will indirectly influence the health of the ovaries and their function, thereby affecting the AMH levels. If the women can take a balanced diet that is rich in antioxidants, for example fruits, vegetables, this can help to protect the ovaries and eggs from the oxidative stress and maintain the AMH levels. Also, maintaining a healthy weight, that can also improve the overall reproductive health. Being significantly underweight or overweight, that can disrupt the hormone levels and ovulation. Smoking, this is very dangerous to the ovaries and AMH. It is proven to accelerate the depletion of eggs in the ovaries. It can lead to lower AMH levels and earlier menopause also. Then chronic stress, this can't be seen and measured, but it can have a very big effect on all the aspects of fertility, both in males and females. Stress can negatively affect the hormone balance and all the reproductive health. Managing stress through techniques like meditation, yoga or therapy, making lifestyle changes, it can improve the overall fertility also. Getting exposed to certain environmental toxins and chemicals, this can also harm the reproductive health. Reducing exposure to pesticides, plastics and other endocrine disruptors is very important. So all these lifestyle changes may not directly raise the AMH levels, but they can definitely improve the ovarian function and overall reproductive health. Potentially it will enhance the fertility outcomes. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.